In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Notion page with a password. First, go to the Notion page you want to protect. Open the page inside your workspace and make sure you're on the exact page you want to work with before changing any settings. This is important because Notion page controls are managed at the page level, and you want to confirm you're adjusting the correct one. Now, before we continue, there's one important thing to understand. Notion does not currently offer native password protection for individual pages. In other words, you can't directly assign a unique password to a single Notion page using Notion's built-in settings alone. What Notion does allow is account-level security, such as protecting access to your overall account, and page-level controls like preventing edits. So if your goal is to stop someone from changing the content, Notion can help with that. But if your goal is to require a separate password before someone can open a specific page, you'll need to use a third-party tool. With that in mind, look to the top right corner of your Notion page and click the three-dot menu. This opens the page options where you'll find several controls related to how the page behaves and how others can interact with it. From that menu, click Lock Page. Once this is enabled, the page content is protected from accidental edits. This is useful if you want to preserve the layout, text, or database structure without worrying about unintended changes. Just remember that locking a page is not the same as password protecting it. It helps secure the page from editing, but it does not create a password gate for viewing the content. If you specifically need to add a password, you'll need to use a third-party service. Tools such as Sochin can turn Notion pages into websites and include password protection features. Another option is HelpKit, which is designed for building knowledge bases from Notion and can also support protected access. These services are helpful when you want to share Notion content externally while restricting access with a password. So to sum it up, Notion's built-in lock feature is great for preventing edits, but true password protection for an individual page requires an external tool. If your priority is internal control, locking the page may be enough. If you need private access for viewers, a third-party solution is the way to go.